So to be sure that your hydrofoil will keep the good shape during a long time, we preconize to clean with the water your hydrofoil after each session. Also, every 2 months or 3 months you can put a Tef-Gel on your screw. So this normally is a permanent product. The goal of the Tef-Gel is to cover all the screw and to stop the corrosion between aluminium and inox metal. So to put on it, you just need to put a little bit around the screw to be sure that you have enough product around. You make the same in this side. And that's it. Enjoy your ride.